I think there's a few interesting things that we can take a look at. First of all, the crucial X6 2TB portable SSD I got for $174, which originally priced for $229 Canadian. It is a compact SSD which fits in the palm of my hand. It is not as expensive as the more faster options like the Samsung T7 and its more expensive option from Crucial, but it was perfect for my needs, especially for the price. Just one thing I can mention is make sure you do not buy an HDD, a hard disk, but always opt for an SSD. They are more reliable, much smaller, and unlike HDDs, they do not have moving parts. As a result, solid-state devices, the SSDs, are less likely to malfunction. Next, I bought the Royal Kludge RK84 mechanical keyboard. The original price was $109, which I got for $82.99. It is a 75% keyboard layout. It connects through wired and wirelessly through Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz USB connection. It is also able to connect to 3 devices at once and includes a USB hub within the keyboard. I chose the quiet red hot swappable switches, which I think work for my environment. There are a lot of customization one can do with a mechanical keyboard, but I'll leave that for another video. Be sure to subscribe for that. In addition to that, I was considering to buy a gimbal. So I bought the Zhiyun Smooth 5 gimbal. The original price was $209, but I got it for $167. I got this gimbal to improve my pictures and videos, and obviously for better production on this YouTube channel. I'll put some B-roll using this gimbal. Let me know in the comment section on what you think about it. For the next set of purchases, I should mention beforehand that my daily driver is a Samsung Note 20 Ultra. But I have added magnets in order to use MagSafe compatible accessories with my phone. So here are the following accessories. First is the Anker wireless charging stand, the PowerWave 2-in-1 magnetic stand. It charges using USB Type-C, it supports a MagSafe compatible wireless charging phone, and it has a place for my earbuds at the bottom. The original price was $49.99, but I got it for $34.99. I preferred the black one, but only the white one was on sale. Next, I got the Anker 622 magnetic wireless portable charger from the MagGo series. This is a 5000 mAh battery which supports MagSafe compatible devices and includes a USB Type-C for charging and has a stand at the back. So this works perfectly with my phone. The original price was $89.99, but I got it for $62.99. The next 2 devices I have already had on my phone. However, the first wallet which I had on my phone is starting to break down, so I'm considering to get another one. So this is what I got. They both are magnetic card wallet holders. One comes with a case and one does not come with a case. The first one I got for $13.99 and the second one I got for $9.99. Now the next purchases are now connected to MagSafe. Next on the list is a monitor stand. This monitor stand supports 32-inch size monitors, which is my monitor. The reason why I bought this monitor stand is because I have a small desk. So this monitor stand will help me remove the monitor from the table. This will give me a little bit more room to work with on my table. The original price was $39.95, which I got for $34.99. I have also bought the Apple USB-C to 3.5 headphone jack adapter. This is to connect my new microphone with my iPad and my phone. The original price was $9.99. Next on my list is a very simple product, which is a non-slip desk mat. The original price was $21.99, which I got for $17.59. Next, I got a simple case for my iPad, which is nothing special about it, for $12.99. In addition, I also bought this Saitor 1080p HD webcam. It comes with a microphone as well and a privacy cover. Nothing special, but it was on sale and I needed a webcam and it does the job. So that's pretty much it. If you liked any products from this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other suggestions, let me know that as well. If you liked this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more videos planned for you guys. Until next time, later.